Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're going to look into pipes in Angular. We're going to create our first pipe, and a pipe in Angular is a feature that allows you to transform or format data before displaying it in the template. Pipes are similar to filters in AngularJS or the pipe operator in Unix shell commands, and pipes are defined and used in the templates. Angular offers a couple of built-in pipes, such as date pipe, uppercase pipe, lowercase pipe, and decimal pipe. And we're going to look into the ones that they have, and we're also going to create our own. So, starting, we are going to essentially try the uppercase pipe at first. So, whatever I prompt here, it should make it all capitalized. If I would do lowercase, it will lowercase everything. And imagine you can build in what pipe you want to build in, like you can find the own pipe you have and you can mutate the data by essentially using the pipes. So let's go ahead and try out the date pipe. So we can create my date and we'll create a new instance of a date in this case, and we can just print date, or sorry, my date in this case, and you can pass in whatever you would want to have. So in this case, we're going to use my date, we're going to use the pipe, we're going to utilize the date pipe, which is built in, and we're going to have a short date in this case, which will turn it into this format. And here you can specify what format you want to have. If you want to have year, month, day, in this case, you can also say I want hours, minutes, and seconds in this way. And yeah, the month does not look correct, so with capital M, now you have formatted date. So now that we have tried out the built-in pipes, we want to create our own pipe. So in order to do this, what you need to do is write ng generate pipe and then the pipe you want to create. In our case, we're going to make a reverse pipe, which is going to just reverse whatever we pass in. We'll try to reverse that string and try that out. So let's navigate to the created pipe. You have a reverse pipe, which essentially has a transform value, and the transform value, whatever you return from here, will then be passed on to the template. Also keep in mind that this is the name we're going to copy, and you need to add it here. So we'd go with reverse in this case, which is going to prompt nothing because we return null in this case. So if we would go back to the pipe and say hello world, it should print hello world, as we can see here. But our task was really to just flip the string. So we could essentially do value on string, and we don't have any args. You can also pass in arguments if you would like that. So for instance, the date pipe we have is taking this format as a argument in this case. So we're going to look into that as well. We're not going to do it right now. So let's go back to the pipe. So if we go here and just return whatever we had, we should still have the initial string, which was hello. But now we're going to reverse it. So there's an ugly way to do it. So we could just split it. Because it's a string, you can split it for every character, and then we can do the reverse. Since we have an array, we can reverse it, and then we can join it again, just for fun. So the hello now has become ole in this way, so we know for a fact now the reverse pipe works. But let's try to pass in an argument. We can say now, for instance, let's go ahead, we can add the argument, we can say word. We're going to flip the word, and then we're going to add the word as an argument. And you can see we were receiving template errors here because we do not have any arguments received from the reserve pipe. So you can go ahead and say the args is here, so it's going to be a string. We can say word to add. So we'll go ahead and add that as well. All right, so what we need to do now is essentially we need to make sure that we just print it here. So now it should be the reversed hello, but now we should also be able to add the word to add. So it should be, sorry, I missed one of these. All right, so now we're good to go. So when we utilize the reserve, we pass in a word which is hello, and you'll see here that ole word, so it flips, it reverses the first word, and we add the second word here. So in this way, you can mutate the whatever you are printing into a format you want it to be, which will simplify your life a lot, and you can reuse this pipe amongst the whole application, so you do not have to have redundant code in order for you to map data around and so on. And that's all for pipes today, guys. Thank you for watching. All of the best. Bye.